Hey, sanibonani back at it again. Ngibuyile njengoba ningibona. Ngibuyile ngihlezi lana. Izinja zami ngiphethe amavocha, ngiphethe noSiyagotse. Khamba kanjani mfowethu? Kahle ngoba ninibuze mina ukuthi khamba kanjani.
Welcome back my brother.
Yeah.
Welcome back my brother.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Welcome back.
Esinabo chief lapha eReal Bafokeng.
Nalo organ.
Ngibadlela abantu bami lapha.
Yeah.
So yeah, bafethu. Oh. Mara bafethu ngicabanga ukuthi uGeneral Mkhwana zomela azolungisa iFootball Association. Asebholweni, ama relationship asebholweni. So yeah.
Guphi ama relationship.
Hey,
Mkhwanazi.
Not leyo ibhekile wena.
I feel that. Athi sizweni ukuthi sikhuluma ngani.
Ingqondo yakho ishaya sprint.
Ngiyabheka ukuthi ngifuna iminingi ye-relationship. Kunokuthi uGeneral khona uzifita kanjani ukuthi
Yeah, talking about relationship, chemistry, talking about chemistry, ama-jimbos bafethu, ama-jimbos. Amajita, bafana, under 20.
ayikubhaya bafethu.
Akuningi bafethu.
Kuningi ama-giants
Kuningi.
bafana.
Explosives.
Ayikubhizi.
Time ticking bombs. Anytime you can, boom. Yeah. So bafethu, yeah. Talking about, we won't focus on other games. We're just gonna focus on the game like Colombia. Amajita. Just gonna focus on that. What is it that you think Uguti, the coach could have done for us to actually pick up those 3 points from the group? Or do you think Uguti, are we playing a competitive football to be competing with the stageless? Are we?
I think we are.
Are we at that level?
Yeah, we are at that level. No, it's the individual players.
Yeah.
If they win teamwork, as well as a team, abantwana ngabe bawinile kamnandi da. Ngabe bazwine because of mabathatha to equalize, abavele ba defend. I think I understand.
But defender in.
But exactly. Why defender? Score really, slowly equalizer, confidence may live. But now the problem is April for shine. And one young child, no aksana teamwork.
Ukhuluma about individual brilliance. Why? You know ibonile kenza ukuthi ukhuluma about individual brilliance.
Yeah, obvious bafethu. Machance adlalile.
Yeah.
Amajita forfeita ku knockout stage. Badlalile.
No.
Take nothing away from them. Fidi ukuya ngamda kulela game leli Colombia namagents. Magents mangabheka physique. Lezia first 10 minutes.
It was bad, man.
Colombia be attack ilona national team and amajita bewafuna ukudlala ibola from a move. Whereas lezi zidlala high press.
And a little
physique ziyabashali.
Aerial balls.
And there's quick.
They're loser.
And we lose unnecessary balls kuma dangerous zones. So amagents now somehow bazikostile and babone later lesasescoring.
What I've actually picked up lapha. First 10 minutes njengoba usho ukuthi lezia they were showing us like they wanted us to feel that they are physically strong.
Exactly.
But as the game progressed, I think sikhona ukuthola our foot, our style of play. Because ngibonile abantu laba masidlala our 1-2 off the ball passes, they can't mark the thing.
South Africa vele keep.
But when it comes to you holding on to the ball in terms of body, they bump you, they take the ball.
Exactly.
That's how we actually lost the ball.
So like South Africa lapel in fact keep ball playing nation.
Yeah.
Like Rona we don't do long balls, the cross,
combination play.
So Machenzi obviously individuals babatla shine. Until April, for instance, we wanted to shine. Mfundo Villegas was there. He wanted to make things happen. But then that's not a support not but then uzamile mshimane.
That's what I choose.
You understand? So like Machenzi mfethu yakana fedi badlalile. Yes, we lost, but then Machenzi push it actually.
And the penalty we bayidlalisa.
benza isa position 10 not a winging
and beyidlala
And enakha.
beyidinga yangithola labo bantu labo man abazomcompliment
Exactly.
manje April ufuna ukushaya nabona it's like ngathi manje ngifuna ukushayana
Yabo.
ngibone and manicale ukuthi ngidlala kanjalo akusasi
Wabona lintho ngwapi mfana ukekani umlimo iplayer ile ene besimdinga la uvilakazi kekani
Individual
Sabadinga
brilliance,
nje.
still going back
yabona
there.
no samdinga ukuthi mfana support uvila ke uvila na uyenza izinto msupport wena into yakho kumele uyenze ibe simple
Because with
scratch
Kekani,
nje whatever ezara emilini scratch
with Kekani,
Antoine.
I think the overall performance at the tournament, he got 8.8 something. That shows he had an impact with the game. But then again, I had a question to pose. Uguti, do you think you not having match fitness, it has an impact maybe if you selected for the national team? Like match fitness from your team, basically. That's what we're talking about. In front of Vilakazi.
Okay.
Not getting enough game time. Because Mbonile and my comments on my supporters, they were like, Kaizer Chiefs is not using this boy to his ability.
yeah
That's why Nakona Lapo performile, but performing the way people were expecting him to actually, deliver in terms of
okay.
match fitness wise, does it have an
Okay.
impact?
yeah yadlala role leading but then awulimnati umnati
And then that's one Villa
alumnati umnati yabo ayona inal impact because of ntanga compared to ko national team loko domestic team yayo
yeah.
mara team yayo adlala uthola mu 10 minutes whereas kara ile yamdlalisa mntana and wenza into etsala kaofela South Africa mfethu South Africa nehlanja kamfela gama kavilakazi bafethi for the when you khona gore like Chiefs are spanishing for to according to his ability clearly ungalidade ngayitsa ngilo lo Chiefs kutsho ngabayibona ma ko national team ntanga wayitsa right
My boy.
sekitsho like for a effect like the way di cho jwalo like di raise riding eo
Yeah.
one shot ke tabanyana e jwalo like ha kutsho ntwana umnati mnati wamkenya utlo etsa ntho tlamele ngayitsa untsweng so ngikutsho ngori Chiefs dlalisa mfano lahlela mfano depending ke nako no
ene if
ke nako
adlala ku-Chiefs consistently
mamela
Begamosh.
national team
Bekazalile phezulu,
mamela mfiki
but no yiba bamkhabathayo
exactly true
So yeah, you remember a few episodes bese khuluma ngendaba experience.
yeah
Experience and nalabafana labasaceda ukupromote you. So in this situation yakavila, njengoba ngadlali, some they would say he's not experienced enough to be playing
to be a key
yeah,
Kaizer Chiefs
sharp. So my question is, does it add lento le experience according to Nina the way nibona ngakhona
Okay.
when it comes to national team?
uyakani namfethu ntwana sali experience in terms of national team level even though wadlala wathola game time ila
yeah la uyadlala
But talking about divisions,
yeah divisions okay sharp divisions okay sharp eu tlamelo check the surroundings santwana o adapta jwali different players ko amajita dina le bond ntwana tsile kafela udlala ithaka tsa hayi
it's one of those things ngisho kule episode
Wang understand?
which is makangadlala
Nintanga zakhe.
bafaka bo Mduku bafaka bo Ncoko bafaka bo Dudu.
exactly
Kungenza
Mijikito
something.
yetsa.
but it still goes back. It still goes back to experience. You remember you said in the team you need experience to marshal this whole thing, right?
Yeah, ma,
But then again, mazofaka intwana zonke. Yakhumbula I think there was a team bedlala ngeintwana. I think Swallows, Mroka Swallows. Njengobuya kahle bedlala ngale ntwana lezi mostly intwana eziloniwe from Kaizer Chiefs yabo Swallows. And they were doing pretty well. Then kwavela lento le experience. That's when la ubona khona ba dropa labafana bafaka experience engasebenzi.
So I think ila yenye ya view ko technical team iba infuser jwang li
Like
seasoned
balance.
players.
Yeah, balance.
Yeah. Intwenya le jwalo. But then I think intwana for now tournament emqomile njalo.
Ayisasebenza haya. Ayisasebenza ngaleyo ndlela. Efieldini at least the rest. Yeah.
Isikhatha lento edlalela intwana lezizwe ifuse.
Makana apart from everything, I think Chiefs imboni kamfano, like I know it's time. Kinako,
Do you think bazomdlalisa?
I wish.
I'm
I hope so.
a
but
Kaizer Chiefs fan.
I
ne?
wish.
Bazomdlalisa?
I still think ukuthi lento le izoqhubeka lobe looking ngakhona.
No.
Unless if the fans are hostile about it.
So
Because of now, mina ngizokutshela into eyi-one. Yabona ngabe le ntwana beyidlala consistent ku-Chiefs. I think lela game leya angabe siphakamisa isandla ×2
my man.
because of match fitness una. Manje enye into
Umntwana olapile mfethu hungry Joe. Hungry Joe.
Joe.
Unalumbona ko Chiefs abamkenze ka yona 10 minutes yo. Uyetsang utlisa change. Wabona ka
He's a
no.
creative player.
Unal
man.
something.
Even his assists, bro. Hey, those passes.
Control.
Ayo.
Ukhona uraya.
Lo muntu lo uminus 4 emaplay ngepass eyi-1.
Umnati.
Mawuqeda ezicoach uhlezi lapha uyibukele le game le. Angithi obviously national what break angithi uyibukele yambona umfana wenzani. Makabuya futhi wenza the very same mistake that you did before.
Wabona no. Chiefs no. Banali an experienced campaign. Kimang Maboe.
Yeah.
I wish you like ke na ke Maboe le bo Vilakazi kaofela abo di partner so bi ngalina kwelanga sadla understand. Yeah, uto tiphelile apparently. Ngizwile nyanya ngathi iphelile so like hopefully bazodlala bo Velepai. Wabona Velepai. One choice. So like I just wish you like the players Chiefs is signing no.
You win.
Yeah, you win.
Right or left?
Who left? So I wanna ukada ko left. Ki Vilakazi.
Ay pule muri pra.
Uthi competition. Unila competition.
Ay pule muri mfana yamphathisa naye.
Remember what I said ngomodi. Modi mfethu mina for mina na personal. Modi mfethu asobatho udlala according to learning his best ability like. Modi umnati njaka.
Modi afitha mfana. Bari una tickets.
So like
I feel like
kamile mfethu
esikhathini esiso that's why ngithi ama-player there's one thing ngingazi ukuthi bacabanga kanjani esikhathini esiso i-Chiefs beyingana-player kanye bebathembile
kuye.
kuyisikhathi
sokuthi and funny enough mfethu uyayithola game time.
bonke jo
Uyayithola game time mfethu. But then mina kakangayidi nengileyo ukuthi Modi makadlala against maybe i-team efanayo okay aka Pirates. Na mfethu ufona asitratekalo mo.
Mfethu muri mfethu wathi
Phone.
wabona ntwibwa. Unale
Asitrate.
point. Unale point.
Kuwa kosibeka shisa chu.
Umudi mfethu I think Umudi is the type of player ofuna like you're talking about combination passes. Umudi you remember ngasikhathi afika ku Kaizer Chiefs. There are two goals like kunale yashelo potsa nge10. Wayibeka. Unala bekadlala i1-2 no Ushaba I think Ushaba umgayo no Shai Scoop. That's the Modi that I know. Afterwards ngala Umudi mfethu Umudi unokudribble players dribble naye.
Yabo. So you tell them getting you.
Competition like this players
are
relaxed to a point ukuthi I know ukuthi ngizodlala noma ngaperform to my utmost best. Yangithola.
akafisa ukudlala ibafana akafisa ukuselect
An international player vele. Bekadlala.
He's not even hungry man.
Bekadlala.
Look at Khobla. Khobla still wants to play in the international team. That hunger baba.
ukuthi i-strike esihanga
So
back to lento le issue umata few
Yeah. South African Football Players Union, right? Basho lapha ngithi.
Le Kaizer Chiefs
Ukuthini? Oh, yeah.
bathi bekabukele I've watched Kaizer Chiefs
Ama-game
past few
akhona,
games, yeah abadlali great abadlali ibhola mna like abadlali like
As a team.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, they're not playing as a
So I'm
team.
not gonna select anyone from Kaizer Chiefs because of like they are not playing. Abapule Modi yibo bekumele baphakamise isandla la. Ukuthi Kobe Matala emakancane sikhona beka senza izinto. Enza izinto mfethu but still umuntu okumele enze izinto nebekumele bamselecte ubafana bambeke ebhenchini abamdlalisi angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani mfundo Vilakazi. So beyidlala consistent kanje uChiefs bayifaka uyakhumbula ngisho ukuthi ayingadlala number 10. Bengicela ukuyibona idlala number 10
ku national team.
Ngasho ukuthi le nayibeka ku number 10 ingadlala le ntwana because uyayibona display bazokuphasa ine-timing kwazi ukudlala
Insane
ama-1
le
2
ntwana,
space ngena yangithola hayi but
So, abona World Cup amajita mfethu agamile. Kuya ngami mfethu okay sharp siluzile. Sinokwe out. Kulo. Yeah, baphume ku group stage.
Man, I
They are
still think-
back. Babuyile.
Bekwi-knockout
Knockout game.
yeah
So mina, I
We
still
not got
believe
game.
with their game we could have won it.
Yeah, we could have.
good
And manje I'm ngizoba fair ngale comment engizoyisho manje and sikhulumile prior before the shoot. Ukuthi there's some areas that as a player that you need to fix.
Okay.
Right? Siyazi ukuthi if ngidlala ngo right, inyawo elogibela utekisela ka left. You understand? But now as a player, you sharpen the most department where you're lacking. You see with Mfundo Vilakazi, the game lengibonile mina. Mfundo Vilakazi could have won the game for us. Why? Because these players, I wonder if the players said in another do kavile daw, said do bono kudlala jwang. That's why you actually shift and try to do something else. Because Mfundo Vilakazi we actually ball most of the time, and if you check, I'm a player by Wayagu, it's either 2 or 3 players, right? There was some chances where Mfundo Vilakazi would face the goalpost. Like right corner, but he can't use the right. He's always going to his left. Hence I'm saying if he can work on his right, if he can work on his trapping or right. But now corner, you need to not I want to shoot, placing those balls in the bat, passing the net. It works.
The good thing about Mfundo Vilakazi mfethu Sanzana young ne. It will improve along the way.
yeah
We need a game time.
And the right company around him.
Exactly.
and
We need a
lento
game time.
lento eringayo na to add on it ukuthi makasiqinise right akadingi ukwenza into ezibhala into angayifixa ama-basics
Simple, bro.
e-training bakuphasa ibhola elize ku-right utrap ushaye ngo-right yinto nje ayidingayo
Amakayini umnandi.
uzodlalisa le nyawo
Umnanda sali. Mina ngithi mangasebenza right mfana it's going to be a killer. You know what? Ubonile kunale ball leli shoot ungene straight wazi wayophelela line wafuna ukusquare ngo right. Lapha mfethu ibheka ukuvela kwakhe kanje. Nokuyisha ngomponti ngo right mfethu goal. Dan ukuthi uyophuma eline.
So like the decision making itamele ayilungise la linye especially ku final third. Sanzana lemnyana utlo improve.
Still a
But
sign.
then machita mfethu hayi.
23 24 awuzobisela
Machita gamile machita ko nje unfortunate like kuya out yabo.
Unfortunate.
Yeah, but then shows all like Mzansi apeha.
And this boy is hungry, Baba. You can see even the way.
Kasitswana sa kono se rapeha.
Hey, amore Sunday.
Speaking about
Rapeha.
Speaking about knocking out.
Bafana, sikhuluma ngabafana. Abadala. Knocking out.
Oh, before national whatever FIFA break. Before FIFA break.
No.
It wasn't discussed.
No, international team.
Wena ngqondo lithila.
Ngqondo
lithila. They wanna gang up on me this time. They wanna gang up on me, but it's fine.
No,
It's fine. He's like, but he's like, another thing.
Because of
like, before international what? Where are you going with
I
it?
get raw up at Tamilo de Bomi.
Where are you going with it?
Rakikata. Obeme, eating. Stove for lighter. Meti abile awape abo papa so abo. Me it's okay sharp la bila levanti and then I don't
Kenya poof, Kenya twine, so
obviously before it was FIFA play. Before FIFA play.
Thank you. So I really like Bafana against Zimbabwe.
We need tournament that before FIFA play.
That's what I'm saying.
Right tournament in fact.
What's I say?
Now team to look no for team A win na one. Need you the final 8. Go fail.
Yeah?
Yeah. But you will final 8 in the so. Yeah, Kalim Black Label knockout.
Yeah, knockout.
So like team A. Yeah.
King team.
So like he win na one. Like
he win na one. Team A.
I'm coming.
Woo!
So I wanna know Pakani yale.
Ain't a peace.
Akana peace in fact.
Pakani yale. The team in fact in a battle cup. So angazi nokuthi bayophelela va. That's why ngibekele cup lead. Yabo. Yeah, that's why ngifuna ivali.
Isouvenir.
Nganthola. So like phakathi yamfethu.
Ukuthula noxolo mara.
Okay.
I'm fun. I'm fun.
Awunayo.
I'm fun.
You don't have
I'm fun.
love and peace.
Enhle ngilahile yabo. Love and peace bengekho.
Mina naphezulu bengekho.
Yabo. Yeah,
I
yabo.
think ngathi uyada.
Babila noko nabo.
Sky is the limit.
So like the big three iphumile kuse small teams.
So the big three.
Yeah, big three iphumile. Sikhukhune. Maraba Start United. Preferably Tama Boys, big three. And then small teams asele.
Ama small teams are still in a big institution.
Oh. Yabona bangicorrect. So like re bone wabona
So
the
ngicela
results
ngikhumbule
yabo.
bear in mind ukuthi every time when you're having this podcast,
The results re
Kaizer Chiefs and
bone.
Pirates going to be a problem. It's going to be a problem.
So like ngibona ama comments yabo kubona di comments yabo so like akucheck ara ko social thing wabo kabona okay sharp. Bara this tournament iyabhoka man.
Because
of-
teams are pulling.
Yeah.
Still a big institution.
You understand? So like iyabhoka like about external influence. So like I'm like okay. And thina very renale point that la reprove bafethu ona re winna one cup we bafethu so ka ini.
Nah, ke re le sha streak ukuthi le lwa ka streak or linkile mtheneti going forward, so we want to say that.
And
I'm not against it, I'm not disputing anything, but it's football.
and the kill tournament compared to every win in previous pre-season.
So does it count?
Basho kanjalo.
So I'm asking
Ama
ukuthi
comments
i-black
engibonile.
label, i-black label, will it count like
Is it?
njenge-cup?
Yeah.
Because
Yes,
at
yes,
first,
yes.
at first, you know at first what they used to say,
It's a league
because
tournament.
Kaizer Chiefs it was Bogu Sinkwasa black label.
Chiefs
They would say a black label cup is not a black label cup until they added other teams. So I'm asking me now, with this domestic cup,
Yeah.
will it count ever since Nelere? Yeah, it doesn't count. It's one of my kufe what.
Ay rona ga inida mfethu ga ibaka mfethu. Rona
Oh, so
ga.
since league leader it does count.
Yeah, it
Since
khale ke knockout.
Emapel, since league leader it does count.
Yes.
Rona le re
Ke
tlo ba
knockout.
it account.
Ke knockout tournament and the league tournament.
Makuve
Ah, Makufa.
counts for you.
Yeah. And they are
biased
biased.
niggas,
Apparently they
yeah.
were not invited.
Bias niggas, okay.
So like yeah. Re bone the results bafethu tsa Kalim knockout cup. Yeah, some were happy. Their team there shot 3-0 Feza. The very same venue ntona yami stadium. Yazi ngiyafisa ngathi hey ngaba mnandi enhleke yabona itikiti iphume.
Kingdom
May
Cup.
27 or
Now
28
Kingdom
this
Cup.
month.
Oh, it's on a Tuesday. Ne?
Ay baf mili be Saturday le
I
yathi.
think
Mel,
Tuesday.
Saturday.
That's over Tuesday.
Serious?
Yeah, it's Tuesday.
During the week.
Damn it.
Uzobuspana ne?
Mamele
Mamele red.
Neki wisha ngakaya.
So yeah, gents, going back to Bafana. So Bafana, it was unfortunate that we lost our points against Lesotho. Unfortunately,
2 points.
FIFA took deducted points from us.
Oh.
So moving forward
We are
with
not
this
moving
last
forward.
game,
Meaning it. The person who is responsible for checking into this yellow card, nana, mele bamthole, angazi bamenze something because of Wolves Kawati. That's ringing never. Angeke mfana uTebo Khomkwena mele ahlala acabanga ukukhumbulana nama yellow card.
but the team, Buffett, Umkaza, because you spoke about Uti Pirate institution.
Yeah,
So each team,
yeah.
it has departments. So there's umuntu analyzer, there's umuntu in charge of whatever. We cannot blame the referee or blame whatever. We blame technical stuff. Lo muntu lo bekwamela khuluma ukuthi must include umkwena because he's such and such. So why the referee? The referee You said the ref. Yeah, but you said they must find the ref who gave the yellow card.
They must find the
The guy.
who is responsible of checking Gucci, loan yellow card,
Exactly.
loan at Milan.
Or inside
Yeah.
technical stuff or shoot some zone.
And the guy ngimbonile izolo stadium
yazini lo
after game.
ayibona lo sibule
ayibukela igame
And amaplayer bewakwatile.
akaxoshwa
maka mina mfana
uthengiwe
maka mina mfana
yabona mathi bekasmayela
Alethi.
okay mina honestly
Maka mina
speaking I didn't
mfana-
watch the game
mina mfana ngiyasho mfana yabona isafa ntwana nayo ibeni-legend ngayo yonke le case le
but pinpoints the
baya-anda
guy
babhedile lile lezi mfethu kumele mfethu babe like uHugo Bros mfethu ufocus selector ama-player for a national team like you're on the verge of qualifying for a World Cup.
so ke bona labana abantu abayenza umsebenzi
So like Hugo Bros mfethu ke coach. I mean like never latela ntuthu tsa bo di
Yeah,
local.
Hence I'm saying ngona le department
So like
I'm saying.
department e in charge of like the player di right now like di ka fieldiwa o in fact ntho mfethu go cost la mfethu le no
not even disciplinary hearing
Costile.
not even disciplinary hearing
Ngabe izolo dlala i-draw ngabe sisase right like
mfethu o costile mfethu
That is
mfethu
right.
like mfethu ke bone mabone game e fela like Zimbabwe le ne celebrate ka te you say like ah tse di qualified mfethu and rona de bone re leng ka teng a o bona mfethu ne nka ga etla kwa tsa ke no child o fedile o bontsho like machitala le ne ba batla ka teng tjo yellow cards le mfethu di na le impact di dlala role e ntsweng bo blind and no mentality ya machenzi no going ko gaming ya Rwanda jo tlamele mfethu go proza aspanega mechi kwa hayi mfana motivate machenzi
that's where
I think bazoba
that's where we
but then
that's where re
believe
bonang
mfethu
hore
professional players mfethu they
I
know
think
sponsor
bazoba-
bona ke eng.
that's where re mo bonang
Control.
teng hore mentally
Mentally.
fitness wa ka
Exactly.
because
So like
such things are etsala ntho e demoralizing bafana ke deduction of points other players missing that you will rely on ba re ba tshepileng ke albitsa bitso la teng re le mfo okay hai nane ke mila
injured
but anyways yeah injured we can't prevent those things unforeseen circumstances by the way so talking about these players the dynamics and everything they change even the environment the atmosphere becomes polluted to a place where now we have to win it like if you were under pressure necessarily or else you had you had you had an advantage of you actually winning the group but now we're walking on a thin ice.
Eish, my brother.
that in fact it costile the time by raise ba re after game also ba re
We played in
re dladile ka play le go no tlamele suspendiwe no sa tlamele dlalo antho so e re shaide da
And it wasn't even
And we
contested,
took it light,
but because
innit?
of this other,
yeah we took it
Neighbors,
light and then these guys ba phisuile this thing including Leona Benin ya gae ke va re ding ga latela
but no
One
Bakaila
turn.
na Kisacho no Nigeria is not going anywhere.
Okay, no, before
It's not going anywhere.
Bafana
It's
Bafana.
not
Yeah.
going anywhere. Yeah.
Bafana Bafana.
yeah
Singaqualify.
yeah fair
Do you know why? Let me tell you something.
We are going to qualify.
In how many points in Nigeria? 15.
14 actually. We have
14, ne?
it's in our 15.
Ipenini na
mina 17
17 it's not 15.
Nigeria mayiwina idli ipenini izoba na
izowina hayi ukuthi mayi
izoba na how many points?
Izoba na
Izoba na
17. Ake na 14 na
17.
check
yeah izoba na
17.
Izoba na
17
17. So now
Tina maswina 18.
their mindset, their mentality is
akwa
we need to win. They are playing at home. Ne?
badlalele Nigeria
Yeah. We need to win. Na kanjani?
no matter what
Kwamele. Ibenin bidla na Rwanda izolo.
You win it I think.
1-0.
Yeah.
Wina 1-0. So the confidence in Nigeria
high no
is high because of Bible. Oh, let's put na Rwanda. I would say Rwanda bekhona. But babona oh na Rwanda wina 1-0.
ene ngama last minute
And last minute laba sobaqala. Yabona?
And let's not gijimisa i-draw lezi. Izepenini ngafuna i-draw.
and then
Exactly. I-draw bazolingana nathi ngamapholi.
Yeah, so we're gonna bazoshaya goal difference.
If-
Only if we score more
Yeah,
goals.
score.
Maswina thina siya.
Yeah, when.
So now mina uzongithini. We need Nigeria. Sizobathola after no noma sibabona estradini. Sibafune grade.
Yeah.
Umdayise abancane. Mara mabangawina mina I pray.
And I mean, okay, I see where you're going. I see where you're going.
Yeah.
bazominisa layer 2 goal
goals,
difference yeah
Thina noma singawina one.
Iyavela.
Simnandi.
Iyavela.
Yangithola.
Iyavela.
So I pray ukuthi
you must be an analyst baba kwamele lapha kuma Kaizer Chiefs uzosipana lapha analyze zonke into
Wapi? Mtawakhuko bonke emshebelelo wami.
Ngiyabona
Yeah.
Okay, no, it's gonna happen. It's happening.
Yeah, it's happening.
kanjalo prophecy
Mara, one thing.
prophecy
Nina, Zimbabwean brothers, Bomdara, yesterday,
Sona.
you robbed us, ne? Nina nisinqanywa, and ngabomakhelwane bethu. Bekumele nisiyeke siwini.
Kahle kahle.
Siyonilwela le ngoba sisonke la Southern.
sikanje mangithi siyinkoza na peanut
You
butter
are fighting, uthole red card, you are fighting. Faka le nto neni ukuthi izohlokoloza umbokazi uthole red card uyaphuma nasiko. Yebo mndari izolo.
I think the game plan was around Bogas, the way it's for them to penetrate basically. Because if mas ngathola ukubheka sikhuluma eqiniso istem se defense Bogas.
Yeah.
Singarasa siyele inini but the stem
Bafake billiard
Msona.
and ngizwile kuma tablets ukukhuluma yeah.
Then bafaka nalento nabo
Number 20.
Let's let's learn.
So we were still ukuthi silenda sobagijimisa sobakhathaza
Kanti hayi.
Thina experience
le experience le kanti
baze bagiwe isitimela so
Ikhanga move. Ikhanga phambili.
Defense yayizo it was the best defense yebafana bafana.
Two center backs ntwana yami nama full backs.
Two center backs badlala ku big institution, ama wing backs adlala kuphi Mamelodi Sundowns.
Ama team compete ku CAF lawo.
at the moment by far
Yangithola.
And the best right back.
So he has the best defense njalo.
Yeah.
Apha besimnandi.
Yeah.
Makabomndara bebangafuni.
Mangabheka le game leli izolo ne. Phela ubheke the way no master chef mele singambright off.
Yeah, ayidlali.
Yabona izolo. Ayibona isayiti leli lala siphombule yabona mawubani hayi.
Ena imkhipami.
Mamela.
Imbonile ukuthi hayi.
After iZimbabwe iceda ukuthola i-red card sebashota sebahlele emuva. That's when ngibona ukuthi no siphombule lo hayi. Nandi kakhulu lo. Mamela mntwana
Nomreni mfana asimakange ayishi ngayo bafake
bamfake late.
But then I think
Bamfake late.
coach uBhayize bekumele makadonsa unkota
Yeah.
afaka umreni atshela upolice angithi upolice ku right
fitness ya police in fact fitness ya police itsona la level mthozala up and down left and right
hambo bekumele upolice
Abadlala ku right.
umreni yamdlalisa
Exactly.
isisuba landa crane because unkota mfana mina ngibonile ukuthi le bazoyikhipha
Yeah, beka off nyani, beka ngekho game.
ile nto le yona I think we mention ngesidlala eNigeria
yeah
ukuthi bekasaba le
uyasaba challenge
uyangitho awusabulu
bafethu ebare bobo ngasikhathi usadlala ibhola ntwana okay mina ngasikhathi ngisadlala ibhola besidlala sona ucoach bekanokukutshela ukuthi if udlala as a winger ibeke space icala ubona ukuthi lo muntu ekhona ukugijima if akakhona ukugijima mbambe ngeskill sibona ukuthi ekhona ukubalance ngeke azishaye zonke lezo zinto lezi
kanti ulungu yamazi udlala kuSundowns udlalile against
azali but now wenza kanjani angithi yamazi niyazana lalisa dutshani ba
kiye taba ka right ka Zimbabwe lineup ngiyabona but bane badlala lo block
yeah bebadlala lo block
the wing backs abona ne overlap
ngakho uthola i chance either way
ake hani uqwa kere neba phala abantu bamfethu
mfana
yeah uyishaya pale akuphi ayisayidini sekala
even
ngekho ula
le force I think
Foster wishala le 18
ungayile happy le
awunal othinga sathi ngakwayi cheaper so yashapha kima
uFoster ushayipala
Foster
bani na game yango wana cash akasha
yeah Foster
mara nayo usicitha
ucandile
njengoba nisho ukuthi wamela pasa penalty spot wa police
into engisho if bekafuna
mabonile ama highlight
if bekafuna ukukora la bekumele makaseza ku goalkeeper so
alplays
sipho athi ngiyakora
uArumi uphumile uyacommit
already sekafile usikomitile ufile
okay umthathile sabona ibhola yeside nami sengisukumile ngimini ngidala siyadla uyalivala uyazishaya leziya
ulivalelani
akasamanga grand
off balance
ufuna ukushaya ufuna ukona
nangu apolisi la Thekwini
enapolisi ngale lakhe lelingaka
Size five.
shayintedini
Size 5.
bekathi lapha yana
13.
celebrate
13,
and if we scoreile la izolo ngiyakutshela
bese kuphelile
sizokorela isithu
exactly
sizokorela
3 bangahola
so like machance mfethu mawubani mfethu amachance
but not happy ne yes mawubani le ka tshoro ke game mawubani ne tshwantse re win leng and the coach no tshwantse a 1 2 3 4 I think they've according to my observations little way boning ka teng I think they paid attention and note to what happened yesterday ska o tshoro abantshang kota tshwantse at least ba kentse ke mang Remy 8 I think now Remy he's going to start with the game like whatever they did I think the changes go Tuesday o tla di bona
yeah le na le bona ka teng tlo bana le changes because of now aka kwa sheba o tlo qala ka rene o ya kana o tlo qala ka Makgopa
yeah
Makgopa o tlo dlala as a striker sa rona and then aka qala ka yena Mrimi on Tuesday lo re batla speed sile sa rene because of Mremi o gona attack space se mo mareng di pockets tse tseng a dlala ka yena police
and then di ransa shaka di ransa
tse direct
Mremi ashanga
tse mo mareng
izolo bewashaya ukuthi ngamambuzo
exact and umuntu ombona mfana asibuyele emuva thank you asibuyele lokhuzana igame le Pirates lazokora khona ibrace yakhe amarun waka Mremi wonke apolice wadopa fast asasuka
and shebe di ransa Mremi ba di tswile side
and also come why delay uqala abaye and ofitla pili every time
quick
and abona Mremi mfana Mremi re ka jaka yena if dipolo tsa ka ofela di ka tshola batho ba leng late una di late runner ba fitla penalty spot re le ya koteng
so then the process yentseng mobile yeah o butse wide instead of no tlamela di itse o la di bo mopila ke mang striker se se metse first ba be 3
so that karibele ba attackers and
so that bomtao ba tlo gona operator ka ra le mdiba because of ba ne ba sa gona operator 112 because of defense mfethu ne re le mnati re tshwere Mkwena mfethu re tshwere Mbokazi Sibisi re 3 re covered re mnati a re maka go gona wa etsang ba compact
nale yakhe semidlini uyithole room engamelanga fa kusithola
bongamelanga mfako ya bongamelanga aqale netini no satlamela aqale ka rayini
uyaphambili offensive yakho
Eh.
uzwile njengoba ngisho ukuthi mangafaka umbatha yazumbatha amabholo lawa D-line ama smash
I think bekafuna ukublocker la bekadlala nga double pivot Mkwena nolona no Sithole and then uatheka ngolona ngombuli of which is Mbule he played his part udlalile Mbule mfethu uzamile wohle Mbule ke namthona sharp.
And another thing, what I've realized with these teams, African teams, they like playing wider. If you go back to King Kemi Amachit, same thing. The Barashaka ngabaqala baba wider. Baga stretcher. Kimo losing stamina sa rona because we retala ground wabona plapa rough killers. Same applies to Kenya Zimbabwe. They were wide. It cost us to go wide instead of tucking in, allowing the
understand the Zimbabwe ki neighboring country.
Arian, but the thing is,
some of the players did like
Mamela, besides the fact that neighboring country, Mamela, besides the fact that the neighboring country, they're still playing white football.
Yeah.
Rona, in fact, start some combination play, rata over compact.
Yeah.
So why didn't you use that?
But style of play because of Rona the small pockets.
But they were wide. You could have capitalized on that.
But stretch it wide because of they know like Pela Zimbabwe never
and I'll tell over wide. Yabona ubheka unkota ne kunama feed lawo alang avulekile. Lawa waziyo ukuthi uyayibona distance kulo muntu wamela igijima. Unkota lapho ngombhekile ungasho ukuthi awazi ukugijima. But those smaller nyana fields unkota vela ahlaya wabona like explosive runs. So didn't Gaborone. It's not our thing.
Ngota maba no tlamela bamsebenzise.
Papa wona yi out. Papa wona mo out of the ball run. Then bokufundisa yona.
Number 10 man. Umnikazi ka number 10 ulimele.
Limele.
Number 10. Uzomnikazi makabuye uzobuya emthola.
Imsindile le yachiza imsindile le yachiza intwana wabona ukuthi
sewina le game le.
Rwanda awuwin. Nigeria na izosho.
Yeah, going le game le la Tuesday le
ya. Ashayele span indirect.
mina into engiyicavayo izoyenzakala mntwana Tuesday. Yazi kuzoyenzakala Tuesday.
3-0 mina
Shoot
sengiphethe
manje no
3-0.
iMzansi izowina le game le Rwanda and le group izophela siku number 1.
3-0.
Siwine i-group
My
sithole
prediction.
automatic ticket ye-World Cup of which is iNigeria izoshala beyodlala ama-playoff iNigeria. Thina neNigeria savana. Yeah. That's number 2. Nigeria izophuma as number 2. Bayodlala ama-playoff. Thina sihamba kamnandi. Thina sesilungisa everything ukuthi siye ku-World Cup siselect nama-player mfuke kumele aphole kamnandi. Sibe right
produce ama-player bafethu before even the
sekumnandi
national break.
bafethu.
Kunalentwana ledla le TS Galaxy le ama-Dreads.
Ditejani former Kaizer Chiefs player.
Kaizer Chiefs used to develop players. I don't know what happened.
Ilantwana mangibukela was like
Asona liwa.
no like na sharp.
Asona liwa tsale mang.
Impethu nekimshebile
That's
le
nobody.
was like yo.
Omega Mdaka.
Amdaka ke player. Ke player.
Uvaye no Ditejani ngenkathi Chiefs baqosha.
Enocosha umdaka
Hayi,
yeah, Stellenbosch intwana yabaleka la. Intwana le-broken. Mdaka. Oh yeah. Umdaka umjele uBands. Kima nkonje
Mthia.
Titus yeah limthiyana wabona uthi wa gawe wanje ko Stellenbosch never sustain
Oh,
ya mbeze molonzani ngisijwala
shout out intwana yaka. Jersey number 12. #TK.
Asibayisele baba
Shout out intwana yaka. Uyabuye Soweto intwana yami Chiefs mele ukuthenga intwana. Kanjani?
uyabuya dog
Uyabuya.
yabona sesibone ukuthi iBP khona kulezi
Funa lo
ze Chiefs yabona
hayi
bathi kwamele ithe ngathi hayi
Bese intwana
angimboni
shout
la
out. Shout out intwana. Puso Ditejani. Zokalani Soweto bafethu buyani bafethu. Ngizobona ukuthi niyava.
asibonge mama
Omega Mdaka intwana ngifuna lapha ku Pirates intwana. Ngishota nge-left back ne A1. Omega Mdaka. Ngicela iPirates izinto right. Omega Mdaka Orlando Pirates impumi khoza nonkosana
manje angitshele umdaka uyihlalisa wona ebenchini
tumfethu seka Groot.
Kuyafana ndo
Angha. Senior player Groot. Rena le ndaba. Ona le woto ndaba tlamela bana le competition ke batla Maselo ke Maselo intwana. Ile ke Maselo ile.
I hope for the best ukuthi bamthola umdaka mina ngifuna umbese
Batla khutla.
yazi umdaka bathule mangithi mbeza
Batla mbesa khutle ku Chiefs.
and wathi kutshele vara wabona treatment e Kaizer Chiefs yetsa body playing tsetse violent before there's no way umbesa ka khutla Kaizer Chiefs by the look of things
Hayi khutlela lapha.
wangithola sema plus umdaka le yona editejana
all know le o gaira ko Stellenbosch no tlamela 112 nimbatla ambuye tsitsene dimbatla wabo swa hayi re ke kada
ya game time wathi tsona le lena if kill player yeah talking about
maswanga nina qeta u fitla elpolisha
talking about football association king union
safu
yeah talking about that the players tsona le bombese le bo in treatment abayithotseng from Kaizer Chiefs phela lena kill player so ke bona re ke batla ke Sundowns le Sekhukhune I'd rather go to Sekhukhune for game time not go to Sundowns because ke matsitse kwabo but sometimes I saw ke matsitse situation ke yona lead to that kwabo so what do we have to say about the players union football or whatever association is taking care of players
Sikhuluma ngesafu or sikhuluma ngama-play
sikhuluma ngesafu South African Football Association Union
players union
ukuthi which role will it play or which role is it playing at the current moment for players
I think balwela ama-play
and even back then njengoba ngisho ukuthi some of the players like okay itori sasithola singazi ukuthi ziqiniso nani nalokuthi they take time to give you ilokuzana contract for you to play on the first team that's why players are ending bagcina seba exit even with the players that we promoted back then abo Zita abo Matombo abo Extend and the only player that was left in Kaizer Chiefs boku Extend abo Shadow nabo banibani they just went abo Litlotlo i-trackers ethu angazi ukuthi uphelele mina uLitlotlo manje nalentwana uDoctor yayicaba uDoctor number 15 lebedlala wawuphula discovery ntwana nehlupha yajomo ufelethe kayi
phela mfethu di-skill mfethu ka suqobe
So that's why the union okay ke a ithola ka semcomo ka utshwana but the player tse leng di promote you di lo dlala ko first team they ended up loaning them out they ended up selling to other players.
Saying union maybe lawo
Yes, that's the question now. Yeah, because now as a player you cannot. Okay, let me just make a typical example. Uqaling mfethu he made sure ukuthi mina this is what I'm focusing on, soccer. School or any. So you taking that decision ukuthi okay soccer then you don't have anyone to fight for your battles maybe if people are mistreating you or clubs are mistreating you because there's some things that are happening behind closed doors with clubs that we don't know and they won't disclose them with us. You understand?
Yeah.
So that's where actually it comes in. Okay, now uqalinge siyambona udlalile in or maybe dismisse kabuhlungu iSundowns or Sundowns ayifuna ukumyeka ahamba yothola team ngaphandle or contract ingenile but they still don't wanna let the player go play and achieve or maybe chase the dream le afuna ukuyi-chase. That's why i-standard sethe sometimes it takes time for us to actually grow because you cannot demoralize a player elifuna ukuthi qhubekela phambili ngelokhuzana with their careers. Maybe going abroad or when I just vala umnyango because you think you're the boss, you know what I'm the one who's calling the shots.
At the end of the day, the team say the push up business.
Yeah, it is business.
So like, into obviously, opole player or like a certain team, you could teaming. The participants are involved in that. Player, agent, the team. The agreement and then contract making and thing. So like we are going to contract stipulator.
So as a player, as a player,
the career.
My point exactly. So if kita ko wena all boss yak, ke sign wena, then obviously nan soto ntwetsa ngo re batla 1 2 3 4 then I deliver then some offers come from outside. Ukukwala mnyako because we're not pushing a business.
Yo grand ukwala machance ka mondle if ever the offer di ahlahela jo wanthola but then nanto ke tsebang ekunana ka yona gore player tlamele be happy but I batla se maybe Chiefs ya batla tlamele be happy jo if ever happy batla ya da
itlwele ke
similar situation yenzakale ngo ke mang pule molo ga ya ko Chiefs ila boycott team da ko Arrows akana kyara tsetse tlang ka momra ke grand ke batla ya ra ovalo uko Chiefs one top so like I believe like player really happy like I ka offer so kyara ta ko blue kyara and the player go bona really happy ayidlala tlo bona ga o thabile.
Now I still have this thing for I think as much as maybe Betway or PSL o rate the financial advisor, it sort of like until compulsory for player. I think they should focus more on the mental aspect of everything like a player. Because I can be mnate ke polo, but ona le ska mona pule saleng situation I care agent already so no personal whatever we don't want those things interfering with the business, right? So what we do is we seek help, professional help for these players. Because our standard football, it's not like it won't grow if we're facing challenges that one, let's say, day in, day out, year in, year out, like there's no change. We need to be focusing on the root things of whatever that's happening around our players. Because most of the players, like by telling your professional contracts, key players to look in background, that's one thing it wasn't.
Aye. Cook my brother.
Dr. Phil.
We hear you. Cook
Yeah,
my brother. Cook.
So yeah, I think now they need to actually introduce it because it will play an important role knowing what the player is focusing like 100% focus is here. Agana undivided attention then ukuthi kwamele makadlala la cabanga ukuthi intwana yami ubobo ingcele itawanyana for retake inyana like already have problems on the table winning the game. So I think about it.
The brother is cooking, Yamus. You happy?
Yeah, the ingredients are right there. The ingredients are right
I
there.
think topic yone e tlamile re discuss vele be yona fela re dile ka yona ko
Yeah, I
next
think
segment
mental health,
wanthola
it should be the main focus
Yeah.
go football.
because vele di-pipe vele tse-shanki mental health vele
In fact,
tsekhawathi yamqondo
wena usadlala bhola usosolile contract usohola next o kena ground o ngotse bore e shaka khutlela ra ko ntlung coach ya gone ba reng ke sebobe se tlo rekela dikota ma re di play tshwantse ke be stress to tshwantse go panda 15 rand ya borotho mara ke tswa gaming mo re tswa sponsor sa etsa ntho tse right
The conversation maybe iqala upitso makakho.
makakhoya ngicabanga ukumvada yabo ngicabanga ukumvada
sengipeva indlela ukuthi pizzo oza
ehle kumele simvade ngitshela ntwanaka zokala
so bafethu
dila kamthweso
the mental
hayi
health,
umsimana ya
the mental health of the players is very important very
Yeah, no.
pitso ke i-right for yena le ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi uthini
amakota
yabo
ugamela iikipa zethu okay asivaleni sibongile
amasilelo yabuya
okay haya sibongeni kumandi ku right kuwe thank you
bafethu ne hayi seyiceda the brother here bekangekho for 2 weeks and akasitshela ukuthi enhle kubuya vaya yabo asazi ukuthi kuyenzakalani sambona kusekabuyile mfethu my brother this guy bekangekho yabo makazi kuyenzakalani seyiceda to be for another team mela sitshele ukuthi
okay before the topic mamela labantu laba abazi ukuthi ngibuya phi
uma kwini ngwana
uyazi ukuthi bengiyi-mascot le one lena le one le yabo sengibuza ukuthi bengidla yiphi ikota just
siphatho sesiyi makathaking bafethu hayi seyiceda uzosicocela
ayiqabe na asivale
Please like and subscribe on YouTube.
buffet save yourself and mina ngiunyameni
mina ngibala amaplate lapha ngathi hawu kuphizi
I ate on the yam I ate
the brother here ethe bathi sifonele lupizza
azongifona asifonele upizza
fonela lupizza bafethu fonela lupizza
nyakamona ntate ngathi wena nendawo futhi abalakho likubona
masilela
nango pizza
ukuphi mfonele
pizza
makaphendula ifoni phendula ifoni
yazothini
pizza meleze
kodwa ngayathenga kweneti
meleze azositshela kahle ukuthi kuyenzakalani kahle sibuze
Iyo. Uzomfakazela.
sizofakaza cause sibuya sonke lapho ngishilo ngathi le isifaka bathi
uyabaleka
ngifone like isibonge ngifone like i-TV
ubhizi
ngicela introduce this
ufaka phone kholi
my calling akekho abengizomshanga lento le ngithi sorry Mr. Von yourself 10 packets of nicknames where should we
anyway bafethu sabonga ne
sibonge
serep
Asiva.
uyale
serep
kwala
The brother-
late
welcome back ne hopefully next week double 10 the brother and hopefully I prepare uvayile mjojo makakabona hayi
kimchita wa strata mo podcasting
Correct,
kimchita wa strata ki tsetsetswa
yeah it's thora
yeah
our fitness in tonto
tonto sibongile kasi
bonge
Don't
sonke bafethu kesiwe uwekezini
Subscribe.
like and subscribe
forget to comment
sikhona lapho kuma YouTube sikhona na ku
pizza
TikTok
bathi everywhere
sikhona na ku Facebook Alice
Shibo make
pizza
Kupukeni WhatsApp.
Sharp,
yeah say coach
I
uyenzile